That is really, really tasty butter chicken, guys. Hi guys, how you all doing? Welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we're going to make butter chicken. We're going to make an Indian dish, butter chicken. Now we're not going to make it BIR style, but I'll tell you, this butter chicken is fabulous. We're going to make it in the crock pot. We're going to slow cook this butter chicken and it's going to be delicious. Let's show you how to do it. Okay, what we've got here, we've got diced chicken breast. Now there is 3 chicken breasts here. You can use 2 if you wish. And then to that we're going to add 1 tablespoon, maybe it's a little bit more, of Tandoori masala. And then we just want to give it a mix in. So cut our chicken. Now all we're doing is putting the spice flavours on the chicken. So to that you can add a little touch of food colour, just to turn it that orangey colour. So give that a bit of a mix in there. Now of course you can add yogurt if you want, that's up to you guys. This is just putting a bit of a hint of colour on there only, that's all we're trying to do. We're not trying to get it all orange. So what we're going to do, we're going to put that to one side whilst we make a bit of a quick gravy in a blender. Okay, to our blending jug then, we're going to add our tomatoes. Get our tin tomatoes in there, and then we're going to add our coconut milk. Our onions. Our ginger. Garlic, some salt, sugar, curry powder, bit of chili powder, methi, garam masala, cumin, coriander, and then we're going to give it a blend. Put the lid on. I'm doing this the wrong way around. We're going to blend it. And that is our sauce for our crock pot. So just put that to one side. Okay, what we've got going on now, guys, all we need to do, we're making a butter chicken. Okay, there's about 4 or 5 tablespoons of butter there, but don't worry about it. We are making butter chicken. Flame on. Start to melt this down a little bit, and then we're going to cook the chicken in there, but we're going to cook the chicken fairly quickly. So what we're trying to do is, if we get a little bit of colour on the chicken, so be it. But all we're trying to do is cook those spices to the outside of the chicken. We're faking chicken tikka, and what we're going to do is chuck the chicken in our crock pot. But we're cooking it in a lot of butter, and then we just want to go in with our chicken. So get our chicken in there. By using quite a lot of butter in there, and even though we're making a butter chicken, so that butter is going to go in our crock pot anyway. But by using quite a lot of butter in there, we're not just trying to dry fry it or fry it in shallow oil. Don't forget, if the spices come out into that butter, it doesn't matter because that's all going in the sauce. We're not trying to cook this chicken, guys, in any way. What we're trying to do is just seal it up on the outside with those spices, that's all. So just give it a toss round in there. Don't forget, this is going to cook for about 4 hours, slow cooked in the slow cooker. But this way, it's faking chicken tikka. It's going to have a little bit of flavour on that chicken. Now obviously it's not going to be smoky flavoured like it is if you cook it in a tandoor or in the oven. But you know, we just want that little bit of flavour, we want a little bit of colour on that chicken. You know, you can put just plain chicken breasts in if you want, but you know, this just adds a little bit to it, I think. That's the chicken done, guys. Turn off the heat, finished. Then we're going to put that in our crock pot, add our gravy and set it off to cook. So all we do, just add all that chicken and that butter to that crock pot. We're going to add our gravy to that. Tip our gravy in there. Give it a stir around. Oh, it looks like butter chicken already. Right. Now the thing is with this, it is going to be cooked for 5 hours and it will give a decent sauce, but what we need to do, we need to thicken it slightly. Now this is coconut powder, 60 grams coconut powder, and this is 1 chef spoon of almond powder, ground almond. Give it a stir in. Now don't worry about it if you've got a bit of lumps in there to start off with. You know, 5 hours, it's going to melt into there anyway. We're just helping it along its way. And that's it. Okay, lid on. Switch it on and let it cook. Oh, okay. What does it look like? Oh, there we are. It looks like butter chicken. Right, all I'm going to do now, guys, is stir in a tub of yogurt. Now you can use cream if you want, but I actually like yogurt in this. So it's up to you. I like that little bit of a tartness in with my butter chicken. Now we don't have to go bananas, we just have to fold it in a little bit like that and then we'll serve it up. Oh, look at that. That is unbelievable. That is really, really tasty butter chicken, guys. And the chicken, the chicken for me, it's probably just a little bit too much cooked actually. I'll be perfectly honest. It just melts away completely. There's hardly any chew to it at all. But you know, that could be a good thing. That is one easy butter chicken to make in the old slow cooker. Now if you like what we're doing, don't forget, like and subscribe, share with your friends, all that kind of stuff. Catch you in the next video.